In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create pop-up in WordPress using Elementor. So in order to create a pop-up on your WordPress, what you can do is you can head over to elementor.com, log in, or create an account by clicking on this Get Started. Now, let's head over now to the WordPress.com since we will host Elementor with WordPress. Head over and click onto this login option if you already have an account, or click on this Get Started if you do not have one yet. So since I already have an account, let me just input my credentials in order to successfully log in. Now this is what my site looks like onto the Elementor editor from WordPress. I want to create a pop-up. So in order to do this, we need to head over and use a third-party app which is called Common Ninja. Click onto this create widget, and then in here click onto this search option and search in here for pop-up. So there's a lot of options for pop-up. You can choose pop-up builders, corner pop-up, coupons, feedbacks. So just choose in here which one you want. So on my case, let me head over and choose in here this corner pop-up. Then this will open this onto our widget editor. So edit right here the details like cover images, media, title. So for example, let's make it check it out. You can also change the actual text for the subtitles as well as its descriptions, link for that as well as a URL and the likes. You can change its look and feel if you would want by integrating skins or changing its actual content. I'll choose in here this one, click on Save Changes, and click onto this Publish right here and you can see this. Just click onto this copy code. Head over back to your Elementor and then search in here for HTML. You can just input it wherever you want it added since it will be recognized as a pop-up instead of a section. Paste right here the actual thing that we have copied earlier and then this will be added. So just wait for this to load and as you can see here is our corner pop-up widget. So that's how you create pop-up in WordPress using Elementor. I hope this video actually helped you out.